Maybe you've heard of make money from home or home business or network marketing, affiliate marketing, any of those types of businesses where you can get paid to do something besides a 9-to-5 job. Well, today I'm going to share with you how you can also get paid to create content. What does that mean? Lindsay, I can get paid to create content? The answer is yes, and I am going to tell you exactly how. So if you're new to this channel, hello, my name is Lindsay Sewell, and I help you, the busy entrepreneur, to stand out online, to unlock your potential, to get seen, and to create a lifestyle with time and financial freedom. And today, that means I am going to share with you how you can get paid to create content. Right here, this YouTube video that you're watching is a piece of content. I'm getting on here, I'm sharing with you a valuable piece of information that you may have been searching for. The reason that I love YouTube videos for creating content is that this platform allows you to be discovered based on the problems that your ideal customer or client has. So when you create content that solves somebody's problem and they're searching for it on YouTube, they can come across your video. They don't have to know who you are. They don't have to be connected with you on Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn, but they can find you by you having a solution to their problem. So, how do you get paid to create content on YouTube? Well, there's a couple ways. You can get to the point where your channel is big enough that YouTube actually pays to put ads in front of your videos. But if you're just getting started, like I am when I'm recording this video and I don't have enough subscribers or watch hours yet to get paid advertising from YouTube. But that doesn't mean that you can't create content that generates profits. So one of the wonderful things about YouTube is you can post a link below in the description. So if you are teaching, if you're training, if you're doing a product review, maybe you're comparing two different products to each other and you're giving your suggestions on which ones your audience should purchase to solve their problems, to help them with the results that they want in their life, in their business, whatever it is that you sell, you can post the link below. And if that is an affiliate link or maybe an Amazon link or something that will generate revenue for you, every time someone comes across your content or your video, you have the opportunity to be paid. So that's my first way that you can create content to get paid. YouTube videos, how cool is that? The second one, and this is one that I have been using for the past few years in my business, and it's very effective if you are a network marketer, an affiliate marketer, or even a coach, and that is Facebook Live. Facebook Live is an incredibly powerful tool because you can do this absolutely free. You don't need to have somebody who's going to edit your videos. You don't need to have a lot of fancy equipment. All you have to do is have a phone and push the Go Live button on Facebook. The same principles hold true on a Facebook Live that would hold true on a YouTube video. You want to be offering content that actually solves someone's problems. So knowing who your audience is, knowing what their deepest struggles, challenges, problems are, and then creating content that offers them a solution to that problem and giving them a way to take the next step with you to have you solve that problem for them is a fabulous way to get paid to create content. So when you have a very strong call to action in a Facebook Live video, you are going to get your ideal customer raising their hand and saying, yes, I want more information on that product, that service, that coaching, that business opportunity, whatever it is that you're selling. But you need to understand your audience, you need to understand how to create that content, and you need to be consistent with that content. But Facebook Live is a very powerful tool for that. However, I will let you in on a little secret. Facebook Live goes away very, very, very quickly, right? Your Facebook feed, things are always coming in, new content competing with your videos. So knowing how to go back and engage with your Facebook Live to push it back up in the algorithm and to promote it in other places, in Facebook stories, on Instagram, are all strategies that you'll want to employ if you're going to use Facebook Lives to get paid and make profits, because you're not discoverable like you are over on YouTube. Now, the third strategy that I want to share with you today is paid workshops. Now think about it. What are you good at that people would love to learn? When your friends talk to you, what do they say they think about you? Maybe you're super organized. Maybe you're really good with technology. Maybe you are really good with those Cricut machines that people make those beautiful shirts and cups and all those things. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not the Pinterest mom. I'm the Pinterest fail. But for those of you who are, I would happily pay you to train me how to do that through a virtual workshop. Maybe you're a really good cook. Do you remember when the Instant Pot first came out? Everybody was getting an Instant Pot and I was terrified. I didn't know how to use a pressure cooker. I wanted to use an Instant Pot. I wanted meals done in 5 minutes, but I was scared to death to get an Instant Pot and blow up my kitchen. So what did I do? I watched everybody else get it. If someone had presented me with a paid virtual workshop on how to get started with my Instant Pot, I would have been the first person to raise my hand and say, yes, please, I am happy to hand over my credit card so that you can help me use this tool that will make my family meals in 5 to 10 minutes flat. So what are you good at that you could offer to your audience? These days, it's so easy for us to be able to communicate virtually with people who want what we have to offer. You have free Zoom accounts, you have Facebook groups. There are ways where you can share your knowledge, your content, and earn profits in return. So if you want to get paid to create content, start thinking about how you can put these 3 things into the mix of your business. How you can use YouTube videos, how you can use Facebook Lives. Can you add a paid workshop for something that you are really good at? Now, if you're just getting started and you're thinking, Lindsay, I don't know how to create content. I don't know how to figure out what my audience wants. I don't know how to figure out what they need. Then I've got something for you. I am running a 5-day free challenge called the Content to Profits Breakthrough. Content was the single thing that took me in my business from being a struggling online marketer making less than a few $100s a month to going on to recruiting hundreds and hundreds of people into my business opportunity. And in this 5-day challenge, when you click the link below to join, I am giving you those secrets for free. I am going to walk you through the strategies to find out exactly what your audience wants to hear so you can create it and get them pulling out their credit card and handing it over to you. I'm going to eliminate your content creation overwhelm. You will never have that "what do I post now" feeling ever again after this challenge. And I'm gonna give you the free tools that keep you organized and have you able to schedule things on autopilot. So if you're out running around, dropping off the kids, carpooling to soccer, you don't have to worry. Your content is going to be on autopilot, scheduled, and taken care of itself. And last but not least, I'm gonna share with you my last 2 super ninja strategies for monetizing your content. So if you wanna join us on February 3rd through February 7th, go ahead, click the link below to register for the Content to Profits Breakthrough, and you'll get my companion workbook and an invite to the Facebook group where we will host the entire challenge. I will see you inside there. Let's get you creating more profits with your content. And I'll see ya in the next video.